Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create some Grinch press-on nails for Christmas. So if you've been following my press-ons for the last couple of months, I was giving away a set of press-on nails each month through the end of the year. So this is December's giveaway for press-on nails. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll give you details on how to enter. But I did decide to keep these a long coffin. And the first color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Kiwi to My Heart, which is actually from the summer collection, but it kind of creates a nice Grinchy glitter. It's a brighter kind of lime green glitter. And I'm going to go ahead and paint this on one of the smaller nails as well as one of the larger nails. The next color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Talk Dirt to Me. This is a nice vanilla bean off-white, good background color. This is one of my top used Light Elegance gels. I'm going to go ahead and paint two of the nails in this, and we're going to use this as the background for Mr. Grinch himself. And the next color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Heartbreak. This is from the newest winter release. I will leave a link to the swatch video for the new winter release down below. Definitely go check that out. I'm loving those colors. This is a nice Christmas bright red. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of the nails with this color. Once I've cured the first coat of the colors, I go ahead and do a second coat of this green glitter. And then before I cure it, I go ahead and I'm going to put some chunky glitters in it. This is from Glitter Heaven Australia. This is a light green chunky hollow. Remember, I do have a discount code with Glitter Heaven. Definitely go check out her winter glitters. They are stunning. But I'm going to go ahead and just drop some of these glitters into the wet gel and just make sure the bigger ones are pretty flush into the glitter. Then I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of the other two colors. Once I have the base colors down and the glitter cured in, I go ahead and remove the tacky layer off of the nails I'm going to do designs on. So to start out with, I'm going to take my Young Nails Mission Control paint in Fizz. This is their white. And on 3 of the red nails, I'm going to create that classic Dr. Seuss design. I'm not even sure what you would call this, but it's like that white fluff on the red background with some black detailing. You guys have seen this design, you know what I'm talking about, but it's going to pair perfectly with some Grinch nails. So I'm just going to create 3 stripes down the nails in the white, and they are not going to be perfect. So you can see on my thumbs I have that orange and gold glitter striped. Those are nice straight even lines. For this one we want it to look more like that fluff, kind of like that fake snow that you use in your Christmas scenes. And so you just want it to be more light and bubbly. Then I go in with Young Nails Overdrive. This is their black gel paint. And I'm going to go ahead and create the detailing on this look. So I'm going to create the outline and then add a little bit of shading on the inside. Now moving on to the Grinch, I'm going to use Clash mixed with a little bit of Giant to create this Grinch kind of color. And on the smaller of the 2 cream nails, I am going to draw the Grinch himself. We're just going to put in his face. So I'm going to start by doing the green portion of his face. And I do have a picture pulled up on my phone of just the Grinch outline, kind of the classic storybook character look. And then on the larger of the 2 cream nails, I am going to draw his hand, which will be holding an ornament. Once the green is done, I go back in with Fizz, which is our white, and I create the trim for the hat on the Grinch. And then for his hand, I create the trim around the cuffing of his jacket. Then I go in with Power Up, which is the red shade from Young Nails. And I'm going to go ahead and draw in his hat as well as his sleeve. Now going back in with Overdrive, which is the black shade, I'm going to do all of the detailing and outlining for both the Grinch and his hand. And I have done a couple of Grinch nails before. I'll go ahead and insert pictures on the screen of Grinch nails I've done, as well as link, I believe I have 1 tutorial. I'll link that down below. Next, I'm going in with Solar, which is the yellow from Young Nails, and I'm going to fill in his eyes, and then I go back in with black afterwards to add the black of his eyes. And then for the ornament, I decided to use a Swarovski crystal, make it 3D. So I'm going to use my cluster adhesive gel from Jelly Nails 1. I have a link for her shop. Definitely go check out all of her Christmas releases. So I just take a dotting tool and put a little dollop where I want the ornament to go. And then for crystals, I'm going to use Light Cyan. And I'm going to put that right in there, and it looks perfect. Honestly, it's the perfect little touch. Just a little crystal for the ornament, make it 3D. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here you'll see me packaging up these nails in their nice little box. And like I said, this is the last giveaway of the year. I will be giving away this set over on my Instagram. So go check out my Instagram for all the detailing over there. But in this set, you will get some alcohol wipes to cleanse your nails, the nail glue, a cuticle pusher, a file, as well as a Hemp's apple cinnamon shortbread, little lotion. This smells like Christmas, like apple pie. Smells so good. So if you love the Grinch, or you just love having holiday nails and you want to win some free nails, go enter on my Instagram. My link to my Instagram will be down below, but it is Amy's Nail Addiction. And if you're not into nails, but you know someone who is, still go enter. You can win a free set and give it as a gift as well. The Grinch is probably my favorite Christmas movie. The Jim Carrey version, of course. And then the newest one that they came out with is really cute as well. I love the Grinch. And I love how these nails came out. I've done Grinch nails on myself before, so that's why I did them on a press-on set this time and not on myself. I wanted to share Grinch nails with someone else. But I absolutely love how this design came out. I love the accents of this beautiful green holographic glitter. It gives definitely a Christmas vibe, but you have that Grinch green glitter in there. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy me working on press-on sets of nails. And make sure you are subscribed for more holiday tutorials coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!